Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today, nakikita nyo our special guest, Kuya Arnold Sanchez, If you guys into, outdoor activities, especially sa motorbikes, and then sa mga fun stuff, outdoor, indoor stuff, Kuya Sanchez is one of the best, creator out there. And if you guys want to know him, you gotta, go to his channel, Kuya Arnold Sanchez, YouTube channel and Facebook page, guys, Then, makikita nyo sa description below yung page niya sa YouTube and Facebook. And for today's video, is just small segments lang naman, mga tungkol sa buhay ni Kuya Arnold, tatalakayin natin yung mga life experiences niya, yung mga life perspectives, and I'm really really happy, nakasama ko siya ngayon, this is, you know, like hindi mo maano to yung mga priceless na moments. And then nandito din si AC and si Ate, to support us, to support Kuya Arnold. So let's get into it. Kuya Arnold, are
Mhm.
you ready? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kuya Arnold, first question,
First, I wanna thank you for having me. Na-invite mo ako dito sa podcast mo. It's a great opportunity. It's a great what do you call this? A blessing na nandito kami ngayon. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, first question. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, first question. Kuya, anong pinakamahirap na naranasan mo sa buhay na hindi mo nakwento or nasabi sa family or friends mo?
So hindi ko pa nasasabi kahit kanino pero sasabihin ko dito sa podcast. um, Maraming mga nangyari sa buhay ko, sa buhay namin mag-asawa na hindi na namin shinare o na-share sa ibang tao kasi there may mga bagay kasi na mas lalo lang gugulo pag isi-share mo sa ibang tao, and mas lalo lang gugulo pag nagkaroon ng another opinion or input from other people. But one thing na pwede kong i-share dito sa podcast na experience ko is yung mawalan ng let's say family support dito sa Canada. That's one thing na dito sa Canada, that's one thing na you must have if you live here sa Canada, is you have family support. Like, iba ang takbo ng buhay mo pagka merong support sa likod mo na tumutulong sa iyo, kahit yung kausap lang. And yeah.
Wow, that's so deep, guys. But yeah, guys, yeah. I mean, totoo naman yung sinasabi ni Kuya Arnold. Hindi lang din sa Canada Kahit saan bansa man kayo or whatever. With support, parang iba yung pakiramdam ko parang
Tama.
powerful ka kuya
Mhm.
kasi naniniwala yung is
Exactly.
it's very important, guys. Kahit small things support or big things support is very important. So, you know, support your friends and families, don't forget that. And next question, kaya thank you for that answer. Paano paano ka kumukuha ng lakas to keep moving forward na sa tingin mo against lahat sa'yo?
Hmm. Siyempre una, hindi natin puwedeng kalimutan 'yan, si God. That's first thing, and strength from Him, and then support from especially pagka may asawa ka na, from your
Mm.
wife,
Mm.
partner. Sila ang magpu-push sa'yo to keep on pursuing what you wanna do. Dahil walang ibang gagawa nun kundi yung malapit sa'yo,
Mm.
which is yung partner mo or yung wife mo
I
or
see.
husband.
So
So,
God and
number one. Yeah, second,
your partner.
partner.
I see. Wow. Kahit against na yung lahat sa'yo, guys, hindi ka tatalikuran ng partner mo, yung best friend mo, and then God. So, wow.
That's true.
Very deep question. Very deep questions and answers, guys, you know. May napupulot, kahit pa paano, guys, may mapupulot talaga tayong, you know, lessons, you know. Next question, kuya. Meron ka bang experiences sa buhay mo na daanan mo na walang, you know, intindi sa'yo? At paano mo hinandle yon or nasolusyonan? It's just like kung merong decision making,
Mhm.
kung ganyan, tapos parang hindi ka nila naintindihan, pero hindi nila nakikita yung vision mo, kuya. You know?
Mm.
Paano mo na-handle yun? You know?
Again, nagtiwala ako sa taas kay Lord.
Mm,
This happened like way back sa Pilipinas pa nun. When I was 14, 15,
mm,
nag-start akong mag-buy and sell ng motor and all.
mm,
So support, doon ako nahirapan.
mm,
People are saying, "Oh, you're too young.
mm,
You're not gonna be successful and all this that."
mm,
Um, isa yun na experience na napagdaanan ko, nalampasan ko at hanggang ngayon dala-dala ko, which is nagagawa ko pa rin. And it's a lesson in life na I believe na habang buhay ko siyang gagamitin.
I see. Kamusta
Yeah.
pala yung business mo, kuya? Like, how did you start your motor business?
Dito sa Canada, it took me 3 years para ituloy yung pagba-buy and sell.
Uh,
Dahil nga dito sa Canada, it's a big change dahil
uh,
iba ang rules, regulations about like owning and selling vehicles. Right? So, nag-start lang din ulit ako fourth quarter last year, and then pinush ko siya ng pinush this year. And yeah, so professionally mechanic ako ng sakyan. And back home in the Philippines, nagre-race ako ng motor and all, and then na-transfer ko yung knowledge ko sa pag-aayos ng motor sa sasakyan. Then nung nandito na ako, nahanap ko yung parang forte
mm,
ng pagba-buy and sell dito, which is sa dirt bike, sa motocross bike.
mm,
Kasi sa sasakyan maraming regulations, like for example, correct me if I'm wrong, you can only sell 3 cars in a year.
I see.
Yeah.
Wow.
So other like if more than that, you have to have a license, like a own vehicle license.
I see.
But yeah.
So Kuya Arnold is not he's not just, you know, making content pagdating sa mga motorbike, yung mga nakikita nyo, you know, he's buying and selling too. And then Kuya Arnold is mechanic,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
So kung may mga questions kayo or may mga sira kayo, you know, small things or big things when it comes to cars or motorbikes, kung gusto nyo bumali, Kuya Arnold is one of the best options out there. So yeah, wow Kuya, hindi ko alam pala na pwede ka palang magbenta ng 3 sasakyan in 1 year
In
kapag
1 year.
like personal business mo lang, like small business.
I wouldn't say it to be a business kasi if you are a business, you have to have a license.
Mm.
But if you're just like, you just wanna switch car every, let's say, 3 months,
Mm.
you can only do so like 3 cars in 1 year. After that, kasi dito kasi,
Selling? Like
yeah,
selling?
selling, yeah.
I see.
Kasi dito, pag ibebenta mo ang sasakyan, you have to go to Service Ontario and have them like as soon as binili ng buyer mo ang sasakyan, they have to transfer it, and then dun makikita yung records ng sasakyan. And if they see
Mm.
na ikaw yung previous owner,
Mm.
and they'll know that you made money out of it.
Mm.
So may tax.
Mm.
Makikita nila.
I see. Very interesting. Maybe, you know, soon. It's a good business, Kuya.
It is actually.
Then yeah, well, Kuya, thank you for that answer. You know. Next question, ano yung pinakamalaki mong sacrifice, you know, na ginawa mo sa buhay and then hindi alam ng iba?
Pinakamalaking sacrifice. That is when
napaganon si Kuya.
Nung ano yun, nung umalis ako ng Pilipinas papuntang Canada, iniwan ko si Mrs.
Mm.
Yeah, so having her as a let's say a backbone support sa
Mm.
ginagawa ko araw-araw sa Pilipinas, and then I moved there.
Mm.
Like totally parang nawalan ako ng, like idea, nawalan ako ng I would say encouragement,
Mm.
and then
Panggasolina, no? Yeah. Like to push you forward.
yeah. Yeah.
For how long, Kuya? How long?
More than a year. More than a year din eh.
More than a year.
Yeah, more than a year din kami na I'd say long distance relationship, LDR.
I see. Wow.
Yeah.
Very tough. So, Kuya Arnold, isa yun sa mga big sacrifices na kailangan niyang gawin.
Yeah, kasi yun nga, iniwan ko rin yung nakasanayan kong buhay doon, like yung buy and sell ko doon na negosyo, just to move here. But it all turned out to be great dahil andito rin naman yung misis ko na, and we're doing good. And yeah, lahat naman ng nangyayari sa buhay natin may rason, and everything happens for a reason, and dahil nga yan kay God.
I see. Trust in God, guys, kahit small or big sacrifices, there's a reason.
It's
to
always
it,
gonna be a
and
reason.
yeah, there's a paid off talaga yung mga
Hindi man
sacrifices.
natin nakikita agad-agad, but in the long run, doon mo ma-realize, like nakaupo ka and then you realize you're looking back, way back, like 5 years, 10 years ago. Then you talk to yourself, then parang nung kung ano ko ngayon, parang ito yung yung gusto kong i-achieve noon. And then nandito ka na ngayon, na-achieve mo. Then after that, syempre after mo ma-achieve yung gusto mong i-achieve noon, you have to find something else to achieve in life, to to keep you moving, to keep pushing you. You can't be just stuck in one place.
Pero along the process, Kuya, parang paminsan naliligaw ka din.
Oo, hindi mawawala yun.
Yeah.
Hindi mawawala sa buhay yun. You also meet people na will either steer you to the left, to the right or left, or steer you to the right direction. Marami kang mamimit sa sa buhay mo na mga ganun.
So yeah, guys, kung may mga vision kayo, kung may mga goals kayo, kung sa tingin nyo, naliligaw kayo, just balik lang kayo, guys. Huwag nyo tanggalin yung goal na yun. Just keep going. So yeah. Wow, Kuya.
Napaka-seryoso ng natin.
Kaya hindi mo lang alam kasi yung mga viewers natin baka pinagdadaanan.
That's true.
Itong mga words na inaano natin, makakatulong sa kanila, and then especially ako. Si Kuya matagal na dito sa mundo eh. So, may natutunan na
matagal na sa mundo. Parang 100 taon na ako dito.
Oh my God. So, kaya for the next question, pag meron kang mahirap na pinagdadaanan, ano yung personal ways mo para mahanap mo ulit yung kapayapaan, yung peace of mind mo?
Pray. Talk to God.
How do you talk to God?
Ako, like wherever I am, maingay man or tahimik man, like whenever I need to, I just stay still and talk to him.
Paano mo siya kakausapin, Kuya? Like, how do you talk to him?
Like internally, spiritually.
Na, oh
Like
God.
like I would say sa work, sa work may mga frustrations din eh. Lalo pag mahirap ayusin isang sakyan, and then I just sit back and and then like pause for a minute. Then that's I just talk to him, like, Lord, give me knowledge.
Parang nahihirapan
for
ako
knowledge.
ngayon, God, parang
I pray for knowledge. I pray for your support, something like that.
Tapos binibigyan ka kagad ng answers, Kuya, or
so hindi naman siya in a way na sasagutin ka na, oh, ito ang gawin mo. It's not like that. It's when you pray to God, it's more like it gives you peace within. It gives you comfort. Kasi mga bagay na nagdi-distract sa'yo sa mundo isa yan, stress.
Mm.
When you're doing something and you're stressed, like magulo ang ang isip mo, magulo ang gagawin mo and all. So
Mm.
you have to find that peace like within you,
I see.
and I find that whenever I talk to God.
I see. So, paano yun kuya? Like, for example, kuya. For example lang kuya. Nag-aayos ka ng sasakyan, gaya ng sabi mo. Tapos, merong problema. Tapos parang, at the moment, hindi mo siya ma-figure out.
Mhm.
Tapos, you said, you go step back aside,
Yeah.
pause a minute, and pray. Tapos, mag-ask ka ng wisdom, ng
Yeah.
knowledge,
Yeah.
to figure it out.
Mhm.
So, like, ano yung process nun? Like, to pray with him, like, to take time, parang,
To f-
like, nafi-figure
to
out
find
mo
that
ba?
ako I nagpe-pray ako sa kanya, and I don't get answers right away, but I get comfort, I get
Mm.
peace. In that way, if I have that comfort, if I have that peace, I can think more clearly.
I see. Wow, that's
Yeah.
very powerful. Damn! Oo nga naman guys, no? Kung nag-a-ask kayo ng, ng wisdom and
Mhm.
knowledge.
You don't pray to get answers like
Mhm.
right away.
Yun yung mali ko guys eh.
That's not how it works.
Yun yung, kaya nagdi-deep in ako eh. Kasi meron akong mga moments na ganyan. Like, God, why? Why? Like,
Yeah.
ano tong sagot na to?
Mhm.
Pero yung binibigay niya lang sa akin, just relax.
Yeah.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Just give it a time.
Mhm.
Kaya yun pala guys, mali pala yung magsisik ka ng question sa kanya, tas akala mo bibigyan ka ng answers.
Yeah, meron akong napanood one time na I think it was Denzel Washington na or what's his name? Morgan what's his name? Morgan Freeman?
Freeman yun.
Freeman
Morgan Freeman.
something like when you're in distress, do you ask God to like remove your stress, or does he show you a way para mawala yung stress mo? And sabi niya, when you ask for comfort, does God give you like comfort right away, or does he show you a way to get you comfortable? He doesn't answer you straight up. Like, it doesn't work like that way.
Mm. Wow. Yung mga ganun guys, baka dadating din ako sa panahon na yun, and then babalik ako sa video na to. Ito pala yung sinasabi ni Kuya Arnold. Tama nga pala yun. You know what I'm saying? So, good thing na I have Kuya Arnold right now. You know what I'm saying?
But
Wow.
nobody's perfect. Everybody has flaws.
Mm.
Okay, I'm not perfect. I can be wrong with so many things, but yeah.
Wow. Kuya Arnold. Grabe yung mga words eh, no? Like, pumapasok eh. Wow. Kuya, next question. Anong advice mabibigay mo sa iba kung pareho sila ng struggle na pinagdadaanan mo?
Don't I'd say don't go through it by yourself. You're gonna get in so much trouble, or I'd say you'll get in deeper if you tackle it, or if you go through it by yourself. Always, number one, pray to God and talk to your friends, family. There's always a way. Don't go through it by yourself. It's never gonna work.
Wow, I
Yeah.
see. So guys, kung may laban kayo sa buhay, tapos nag-iisa lang kayo, reach out.
Reach out. Yeah.
Reach out,
And sometimes makukuha mo yung sagot na yon, or makukuha mo yung comfort mo na yon from like a random person. You never know. It can be someone else, like it can be a neighbor. It's not always going to be your friends. It's not always going to be your family, relatives. Sometimes, God finds a way. He will find a way. and he can use someone else. He can use your neighbor. He can use like someone like randomly walking by, and he
Mm.
sees you.
Mm.
You know,
Wow. So kuya, ano masasabi mo dun sa mga taong hindi pa marunong mag-reach out?
read the Bible.
Kuya, hindi pa ako hindi ko nabasa yung Bible ko eh. Hindi pa nga, pero may motivation ako na gusto kong basahin yung ano, yung Bible.
Mhm.
Pero alam mo yan, parang wala pa akong ano na yung motive na gusto ko talaga basahin. Pero nagsisimba ako, guys.
Mhm.
Like sa every Sunday,
Mhm.
pupunta ako sa church, and then like yung gospel, yung
Yep.
ano. So, pero for me, I think maybe I should start it now. Kung kasi ako guys, nagsisik talaga ako ng ano eh, wisdom tsaka knowledge. Tapos may mga katanungan ako na hindi nasasagot. Maybe, gaya nga
Nasasagot
sabi ni
in
Kuya Arnold.
other ways.
Yeah. Bible. Bible. Guys. Guys, kailangan natin magbasa ng Bible. You know what I'm saying? Wow! Kaya, for the next question, naniniwala ka ba sa lahat ng tao meron tayong isang purpose sa buhay or ginagawa natin yung purpose sa buhay natin?
I agree. Yeah,
Like,
I believe that. Yeah,
which one do you believe?
everybody has a purpose in life.
But do you create your own, or for example, God made you
Mhm.
to have a purpose, or God made you to make your own purpose?
Oof. God made us because we have a purpose. Right now, we don't know,
Mm.
but if you believe in Him, if you have Jesus Christ in your heart, you have a purpose. You're not put into this world with no reason.
Mm. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Pero kuya, alam mo, hindi naman lahat ng tao kasi naniniwala sa Panginoon.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. And sa dami ng tao dito sa mundo, hindi mo masasabing lahat yan merong paniniwala sa Diyos.
Mm.
It's a harsh reality. It's a painful reality.
Mm.
And that's why tayong mga anak ng Diyos, we should spread the word,
Mm.
you know,
Mm.
and get more people to know God, to know Jesus. And then pagdating ng time, say Judgment Day,
Mm.
mas maraming masave.
Wow, that's crazy. So, Kuya Arnold, yung perspective ni Kuya Arnold is like, ginawa tayo, na may purpose tayo, hindi yung ginawa tayo to make your own purpose. Pero, yung mga ibang perspective din ng mga tao na ginawa tayo to make our own purpose. So, either way, guys, dapat may purpose din talaga kayo.
Yep.
Kasi ang pangit din mabuhay ko is pag walang
Wala lang.
purpose.
Oo.
Parang,
Baliw ka nun, man.
ano ginagawa mo?
Baliw ka nun kung wala kang purpose sa buhay. Gigising ka. Ano kaya gagawin ko ngayon? Hindi ka mabubuhay nun, man.
That's crazy. Ako hindi ako mabubuhay din nun. Kasi,
Oo.
ito nga lang dahil sa walang ito na yung purpose na to. You know what I'm saying?
Kahit nga sabihin mo ng tao, tambay lang. May purpose yun. Sa tingin mo yung tambay na yun. Pag may kakwentuhan, hindi makakapagpasa yun ng information, di ba? May purpose.
Paano kung walang tambay? Di ba?
Paano kung one night you're walking like along the road, walang tambay, and then someone robbed you. Paano, syempre, walang tutulong sa'yo. Paano pag may tambay?
Yeah.
They have a purpose. And they can help you. Di ba?
Tsaka guys, kunwari, naliligaw kayo, no? Hindi nyo alam, hindi kayo marunong mag-google. Tapos may tambay.
Paano kayo?
Yung purpose.
May purpose sila.
Oh my days. Grabe, guys. But yeah, guys. Kahit tambay lang kayo, may purpose. My days. Wow. That's funny. Next question, guys. Ano yung ano yung pangarap mo sa buhay? Parang nasagot niya na 'to, eh, pero ano yung pangarap mo sa buhay since nung bata ka pa and then hanggang ngayon, you know, pinu-pursue mo pa rin?
Um, hindi ko masabi na simula pa nung bata pa ako may pangarap na ako ma-achieve. I'm not that person.
Mhm,
So, kasi circumstances change as you grow up, as you grow
mhm,
old.
mhm,
Uh, in my position right now, in my place right now, dream ko is to have a successful life. Meaning like meaning I don't have to have millions, billions of
mhm,
money
mm,
just to have a successful life.
mm,
I would say wealthy,
mm,
wealthy, happy family. You know, secured ng future. It doesn't mean to say na you have millions in your bank account, billions in your
mm,
account. Like it's not always about money.
mm,
You know, meron ngang mga sabi natin nandito na sa Canada, oh maganda buhay, no, mas malaki pera kaysa sa Pilipinas.
mm,
There's more people back home that I know that they're having that their time of their life than us here struggling. Let's say struggling, because we
mm,
live like most of the people here lives paycheck to paycheck, right?
mm,
But back home in the Philippines, life is so laid back.
mm,
There's more wealthy people back home. Again, it doesn't necessarily mean na meron silang rancho or meron
mm,
silang millions in money,
mm.
but they're happy.
Yeah,
They're with their family. They're happy. You know, they're living their life to the fullest. And you know, cause you never know. Maybe tomorrow wala ka na sa mundo,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So yeah, my dream is to have me and my wife, my family, to have a wealthy life,
Happy family,
happy
yeah.
family.
Yeah, tama yung sinabi ni Kuya Arnold, guys, na kahit nga sa probinsya ka lang, eh, magtanim ka lang ng gulay do'n tapos
Exactly.
masaya ka na,
May
survive
ulam
ka
ka
na
na,
do'n,
man.
eh. Yeah. Dito kasi, guys, yung sinasabi ni Kuya Arnold, yung paycheck to paycheck, to survive here, you gotta work, para lang mag-survive. Hindi gaya dun sa Pilipinas na bibili ka ng land, tatanim ka lang ng mga gulay do'n, aalaga ka ng mga hayop, makaka-survive ka na, you don't need paycheck to paycheck. Yun yung yun yung sinasabi ni Kuya Arnold na
Mhm.
wealthy life. You don't need money to have a wealthy life.
Mhm. I
So,
mean, don't get me wrong. Like me, coming here sa Canada is a great opportunity.
mm,
I was able to save up.
mm, mm,
You know, yeah. Again, don't get me wrong. Like
mm,
sa Pilipinas, it's hard again.
mm,
Kasi like wages sa Philippines is
mm,
like low compared to
mm,
like cost of living. But I'd say nasa diskarte mo na din yun.
mm, mm.
As a like a person, nasa diskarte mo na.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people back home na hindi nakapagtapos, but
Mm, mm,
you know they have like businesses,
mm.
you
Yun
know.
din yung
So
beneficial din kuya dito, no, na malaki kasi yung currency talaga dito. So,
as long as you know how to handle financial
mm.
finances.
Pero parang sa modern life natin kuya, no, kailangan mo din mauta ka din mag-ano ng pera,
Oh
no?
yeah, number
Kasi,
one dito yun.
yeah, kung hindi, ano ka talaga
Financial
eh.
management.
Yeah. Kaya, sige guys, dapat marunong kayo, maghawak ng pera nyo, kung saan nyo nilalagay yung pera nyo, kung saan yung ano nyo, sa modern life. Kasi, to, to be honest with you, in my perspective, kung hindi ka marunong, magdala ng pera, in the future, guys, ang hirap. So, now is the time.
Mhm. Start
Kaya,
young, retire young.
yeah, there you go. Wow. Pero mahirap i-achieve yun, Chris, no?
It is hard.
It's hard.
You have to have discipline.
Yeah.
You have to have respect.
Mm. But,
Yeah,
wow.
it's achievable. Like many people, like na-achieve na ng ano yun, ng ibang tao. Like I mean, just think of it. Kung nakaya nila, ba't di ko kaya?
Mm.
Ba't di mo kaya? Right? So
That's
it's a
true.
matter of perspective. It's a matter of discipline. If you see people na, you know, like I don't want to judge, but you know, there's other people who likes to spend their money on stuff that are not necessary.
Mm-mm.
You know, like let's say for example, why would you buy a coffee outside if you can just make it at home,
Mm-mm. That's
right?
true. Yeah.
Small things, if consistent,
Mm-mm.
will become big.
Mm.
You know, so it's like it's all like a financial management discipline. Uh, ka-
Guys,
Kahit na marunong ka financial management, kung wala kang discipline,
yeah, that's
nothing.
true. Guys, papunta na kami doon. Tingnan nyo. Hindi, joke. Wow, wow. But yeah, Kuya Arnold, thank you for that answer. Next question. Looking back, sa mga pinagdaanan mo, ano yung pinaka-proud ka na ginawa mo sa buhay mo, kuya?
Pinaka proud ako na ginawa ko sa buhay ko.
Yeah.
That's when naging mag-asawa na kami ni Mrs.
Wow.
Pinaka proud ako na, you know why? Nagkaroon ako ng solid na support, nagkaroon ako ng solid na pillar,
Mm-mm.
you know, na always there to like support me, you know, guide me, and yeah, like yun ang pinaka proud ako, to have her
Mm.
beside me.
Parang Kuya, yung sinasabi mo ko, yung pagkaintindi ko, like, nung nagka-partner ka na, parang unstoppable ka na no?
Oh yeah.
Parang kaya mo nang
Oh yeah,
i-conquer yung mundo no?
that's when they say like two heads are better than one. You know, kasi like I have flaws, like what I mentioned. I have flaws. I'm not perfect. I can make mistakes.
Mm.
But if that mistakes can be prevented by your partner,
Mm.
your wife, your husband, you know, like may iwasan siya, mape-prevent siya, di ba?
Yeah.
So,
Wow. Wow. Guys, yun yung pinaka-proudest moment ni Kuya Arnold na ginawa niya sa buhay. Pero, dapat tamang tao din,
tamang tao.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Kasi kung maling tao,
Oh,
parang,
masasayang ang time and effort pag maling tao. Kaya ikaw, Pat. Punta kay Patrick.
alam, minention si Patrick dito. Pat, ano naman? Sinasabi ni Kuya Arnold, hindi ka daw marunong pumili.
Hindi naman. Pat, yo, musta? tropa yan si Patrick.
No, yari ka kayo. Kagabi nga ako
Oh.
nagda-drive kami pauwi, di ba? Tapos nag-comment ka dun. Sabi ko sino nag-comment? Kasi nagka-karaoke siya sa sasakyan ko. Nagda-drive ako, gusto niya kumakanta siya. Tapos nag-pop down yung comment. Ay, tarantado to si Arnold.
Ayun yung
yung comment mo sa
Sabi ka na bro, malikata na pagtanungan, sabi ko.
But yeah, shout out to Patrick,
Tropa yan, tropa.
Yeah. Patrick is a good guy. Joke, sir. Inside jokes
circle,
lang yan. Sa circle. So, yeah, wow, kuya. So, yun yung proudest moment, guys. Pumili kayo ng tamang tao, and then, pag napili nyo na yung tamang tao, and then you guys are both committed to each other, unstoppable. Very powerful. So, yeah.
If you're gonna ask me paano mo malalaman yung tamang tao? Number one, if he or she is God-centered, God-fearing. Yun.
Wow, very powerful. Grabe si Kuya Arnold. Talagang dropping knowledge and experience talaga eh. Parang naguhulog siya ng nuclear, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Ako guys, na-amaze talaga ako kay Kuya. First time ko lang to tinanong si Kuya Arnold, And then, naririnig ko to sa kanya is like, mind-blowing. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Kasi, sa totoo lang, parang papunta na din ako sa mga mo kasi. You know what I'm saying? So,
I mean, if I have a chance na to share yung mga napagdaanan ko, bakit hindi?
yeah.
Right? I mean, bakit, like, especially my friends, bakit ko hahayaan na ang kaibigan ko mapunta sa maling path. If
Mm-hmm.
I can share, I'm not going to dictate,
Mm-hmm.
but I can share my past experiences,
Mm-hmm.
my life lessons, and everything. If I can share it, and then it's up to them if they wanna learn or if they wanna take it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So at least like I shared, at least like for some reason, I made a contribution to
Mm-hmm.
his or her life.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Kuya, I gotta be honest with you, especially sa mga same age as me, sa mga younger guys,
Hmm.
to
Younger
our,
generation.
circle of friends. Kaya itong mga sinasabi mong experience and knowledge,
Hmm.
very helpful talaga eh. You know what I'm saying?
I'm
Ako
glad.
guys, nararamdaman ko to ngayon eh. Na nag-guide ako sa mga experience and perspective ni Kuya Arno. So, what? Kaya hindi mo man maano, ako na nga mismo na ano mo eh. Paano pa kaya yung iba na
Yeah.
nakakita ng video na to? Very inspired. So, yeah. Wow. Wow, Kuya Arno.
Again, I'm not perfect. I have flaws, okay?
Yeah. Okay. May mga mali. Gaya din, tinutukoy mo din yung mga mali mo, di ba?
No,
Small
I have a
struggle.
lot of mistakes in life.
Yeah.
I met a lot of people
Mm.
and mistakes in life. So,
Mm. Ito yung mga ano, guys. Yung mga sinashow. Kuya Arnold is not showing that he's perfect. Ito yung
no,
mga
I'm not.
flaws and then, correct mistakes. You know? So, yeah. Wow. Kuya Arnold,
If
thank
you're
you.
gonna ask me like ratio ng mistakes sa tamang nagawa, oh man, baka next week pa tayo matapos dito yo.
Wow. Kaya. Wow.
Mhm.
Wow, Kuya Arnold. Finally, we have, we made it to the last question. Grabe yung mga sagutan, guys. And last question, Kuya. Kung ngayong araw, for example lang, huling araw mo ngayon, Kuya, you know, for example lang, in this world, anong gusto mong sabihin sa amin ngayon, na maaalala ka when it comes to your families and friends and sa mga nanonood sa'yo,
Gusto kong sabihin
na
na
maaalala ka
alaala.
ng lahat.
I want them to know that I am I'm ready. I'm ready to meet our creator, and and I'll tell them not to worry. I'll tell them not to be sad. I'll even tell them not to cry. You know, because if it's my time, it's my time. But yeah, yeah. If it was my last day, spend every bits of like second, split second with your loved ones, and comfort them. Don't let the comfort be coming from someone else. Let it come from yourself. Comfort them.
I don't know what to say. Grabe, napaka-touching. Nung unang bigkas mo pa lang, I'm ready to meet the creator.
Yeah, I mean, if it's your time, it's your time.
Damn, no?
If you have Jesus Christ in your heart, you accept Him. You like you ask for forgiveness.
Mm.
You know,
Damn, he's ready. Wow.
if you're gonna ask me if I'm scared, no, I'm not. There's nothing to be afraid of as long as you have, you know, God in your heart. As long as you ask forgiveness.
Wow. Wow. Guys, you know, Kuya Arnold, thank you so much, sa time and effort na binigay mo and then yung mga knowledge and experience mo. It was really, inspiring
Mhm.
words, wisdom, everything, knowledge. Wow. And hopefully guys, gamitin nyo tong video na to to learn something. Sana kahit papaano naman may napulot kayong, message, yung dalhin nyo sa buhay nyo, apply nyo sa buhay nyo. And yeah, I'm really, really thankful to have Kuya Arnold, beside me and to have this moment. I'm really, really happy. And then,
Yeah, I'm also grateful na na-invite ako dito sa podcast ni Justin, and please do subscribe and like and follow. Like, comment. If you want to ask something, maybe just comment. You never know. If you want to be in this podcast too,
why not?
why not?
Why not?
Everyone's
So,
welcome.
yeah,
If you have
everyone is
questions,
welcome. Yeah. As long as you being respectful, and but yeah. And then guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, to this video. And don't forget to follow Kuya Arnold. Arnold Sanchez. YouTube channel and Facebook page. Guys, uulitin ko sa inyo. If you guys like outdoor activities when it comes to motocross, having fun outside with Ate, with Zola,
with Zola, our
with
dog.
AC, having fun, guys, pag tinanod niyo yung video nila, very positive vibe, very, happy, laughter, So guys, please, check Kuya Arnold's page, and I'm really, really thankful na kasama ko siya ngayon. And then, Kuya Arnold, do you have any shout outs? Oh, wow. Sorry guys. Kuya Arnold, do you have any shout outs? Yeah.
Shout out to my wife.
Shout out to ate. Any
And
family or friends or
yeah, shout out to them. Shout out to all of them.
I see. Walang name drop?
Don't have to.
I see. But yeah. Guys, thank you so much, sa panonood. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa small segments namin, questions and answer segments namin ni Kuya Arnold, and see you guys in the next video. Yes, sir! Kuya, thank you.
No
Thank you
problem, no
talaga.
problem, no problem.
Wow.